Mike from the Charles Mill Marina. Thanks for joining us today. What you see behind me here lit up is Qwest 816 Lanai LT package. So first thing I notice here, the white and the sapphire as well as the blue glow package. So while the lights are on, you may not be able to see it perfectly today, but this boat's going to stick out in the evening when you're out on the lake. So really cool look. As you come on aboard, for being such a small boat, you'll notice this 16-foot boat is really spacious, compact, and lots of room to move. So plenty of space. We also have a Bluetooth stereo system on board. So great tunes, great music. And then we have, as you can see, lit cup holders. So all the cup holders light up blue that match your seats, that match your exterior, which is a really cool feature there. And as you come here towards the helm, you also see this scan strut wireless cell phone charger. So if you want to charge your phone, all you do is stick your phone right here in this little pocket, charge it right up for you. We also have a Clarion Bluetooth stereo system with 4 speakers on this boat. So while this boat is small, it packs a great punch of color, a great bit of sound. It has tons of bells and whistles that'll make your day on the lake really comfortable and fun. Oh, and did I mention there are built-in phone chargers right here in each and every seat. So if anyone does need a little bit of juice while they're on the lake, it's a great way to get it. So as we come a little further back, one of my favorite features here you'll see is the lanai bench on the back. Now you can't use this bench while you're in motion, but it's a great place to sit, hang out, and maybe even catch a few fish. So if you like those things, really great option back here to throw a line. Or if the kids are getting out of the lake and want to dry off, the ladder you can dry them off on the back so that no one's interior seat gets wet. So really nice boat, complete package. Everything we sell here at Charles Mill Marina does come with a full cover delivery anywhere in the state of Ohio, an on-water lesson, and all the safety equipment you're going to need to be legal here in the state of Ohio. We also offer titling and registration for everything as well. So you're not going to have to see any of those lines, any of that part that's not fun. Basically, this boat's coming to your lake, water ready for you to have a great summer. So if you think this is a boat for you, call us today, 419-368-5951, or check us out on our website, www.charlesmillmarina.com. We will look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks, guys.